Same Germany, huh?
Same Germany.
Wow.
Germany has a mal BMW. Yes, hi guys. Finally, we are back after the lunch, and we will gonna continue the rest of the work. He's a good guy,
Yeah.
and he knows his work. And he told me today also 19 years he's in this field. Okay, so this the balance will going inside all the way. Brother, this shock absorber is strong enough, or maybe I have to change after to put it the good one. Is it? It can take the weight. It can take, right?
Sir.
This is good enough to take the tension.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, no. Now it's time to disassemble again, because it has been now according to the balance between the sidecar and the bike. So everything has been welded according to that balancing. Now we have to remove all the way back, and then the painting and the sanding and these things will work it out. Then they have to fix it back. So this is after the apart to each other. It will gonna look like this. So these are the fittings for the sidecar, and these are the fittings. This fitting and particularly this fitting for the bike. So both are now matched. So now all the welding joint has to be grinded properly to make it align and balance, the properly finished. All wherever they had welded points, it will be grinded, polished. So all the joints has been done 100%. Before it was temporary joint, now permanent joint. And the same time, so now it's the painting work for all the raw metal, iron. Has been over, so they doesn't need much more work to be touched to the chassis. So they are returning all the accessories back, and in the same time this painting work. Alright, and the same time this is done. So we have fixing point over here. This for the shock absorber, and then down for the chassis to the sidecar. So 1, 2, 3 bolts. This one is not actually properly, you know, it's like done.
Ada ka lang, 1, 2, 3.
Sure?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Why Darbatan?
Ada wahid, get-streng.
Aywa, talata, aywa.
Minta 1, 2, 3. Go.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nalo, may kita. So finally we are having a little bit hard time, but sale is going on. The work always will go on. There are some issues always are there. Struggling, hard work, patience, all everything is involved in the same moment.
The issue is always in the bolt and nut.
Yes. No, because when they fix it, I noticed that it was not properly standing the bike with parallel to the sidecar. It has to be very accurate when they will fix it. And they have to fix, I believe it, the down first, not the up one. Up one after. First that one, then this one. It will give the allowance. My observation, I don't know. Side. But my light is coming also, right? One I think here and 2 there. Maybe you can fix it here. Here or here maybe.
Ilaw di Baguio.
What?
Tatlong susudan lokal na Domingo tapos para we will contact you if by the light. We will put it here.
Still no lights?
Still.
So finally the mud guard has been arrived after the paint. So have to fix it. Okay. This the protection sheet. There was a gap. They have to cover it up. This paint is different. It's not looks good.
Maybe we can add more one shock here.
Now here the fixing of the mudguard. The main, this one I am wondering this shock absorber is the wrong position over here, so we have to find it out. Maybe we have to find some alternative, because it's so weird here. And a little bit has been done, the welding in the gut. So this, I told him it should be black actually to match the back carrier. Yes, Saudi Sadiq, كيف الحال؟ مظبوط مية مية؟ عايش شوي طبعا.
Isa na nila, tapos sumbatan naman. Nagkakaroon nila.
माफी मालूम मनते सदीक मालूम
Same Germany, huh?
Same Germany.
Aywa.
Germany هذا مال BMW. Alhamdulillah, this is the final look of the sidecar. So these guys have spent the whole day for the fixing, assembling, installation, for fixing this sidecar to the bike itself. So have a look just randomly. So there are some actually quite a little bit issues, so I have to gonna come bring this sidecar with the bike again. So overall it's a satisfactory work, as you can see. Especially there is two major issues. Actually it's a bit very low, and second thing, for this the box we need some self closer like gas lift, something like this one. And the rest of the things aside from this one, the center, the shock absorber, this we have to find some another place. Overall it's okay. So here only just we need the gas lift to fix it over here.